Hey y'all, it's me, that girl Danny, and I'm finally about to blow dry my hair so I can flat iron my hair. It's obviously the next day. I know y'all knew I wasn't coming back yesterday. I knew y'all knew. So it's the next day. I have my hair in braids. It's pretty much dry. I did sit under the hair dryer for a little bit, try to lay down my edges a little bit with some foam wrapping lotion, but now it's time to kind of stretch it out with the blow dryer so I can go ahead and begin the flat ironing process. I only put this leave-in in my hair and this foam and wrap lotion like just on my edges and at the top of my hair to try to get my hair to lay down, so my hair doesn't have anything else in it. I'm about to do a heat protectant. I'm gonna do this Tresemme heat tamer, spray that on my hair, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair using the tension method. And if you don't know what that is, I'll demonstrate it in just a second. But I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair in the sections that I already have sectioned off. Okay, I blow dried the last section of my hair, and I just wanted y'all to get the full effect of my blow dry hair. It's so lightweight, so lightweight. It's like a feather. Wow, look at that. My fullness is coming back. It's fuller at the root than the ends, but look at my hair. And I'm gonna blow dry it some more. I'm gonna use my same flat iron that I've been using for years and years. The highest it goes up to is 30. I'm gonna be dropping it down to between 15 and 20 because this thing gets really hot. I don't know how hot it gets, but it gets pretty hot. My sister talked about my flat iron. She was like, yeah, you need to clean it. I took some alcohol and a cotton ball and I tried to clean it, and it's just real seasoned. It's not gonna clean. It's like a cast iron skillet. Like you want it seasoned. I have this Cantu thermal shield. I'm just gonna do a light, really lightness to that because that one kind of makes my hair wet, but it's going to give it a shine. Maybe if I spray it on my hands. Yeah, okay. But I just wanted to show y'all how it looks. Look at this. I think that looks great. Look at how long my hair is. Yes. I've already decided, I think at the end I'm just gonna do a mist of like Oil Sheen just to give it some, I don't know. I may or may not do that. But it's looking good, it's flowing. But I think so it stops that staticky kind of thing that it's doing, where it's kind of sticking up here or there. I want to just put a, who is she? Oh. My hair ain't never moved. The one that's been flat ironed by me. That's silky. I'm gonna insert a picture in case y'all forgot how, like, when I flat iron my hair, how it just be like, well. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. I keep saying I'm gonna come back, but I'm gonna come back when I'm closer to being finished. But I can feel me tugging that I need to trim my ends just a little bit, because they look pretty good if you ask me. Let me show you on against my waist. They look pretty good, but I do need to just kind of trim like a half of an inch, maybe. Okay, y'all, I just flat ironed the last section of my hair right here. Let me do a once over on the end. Sorry about that. So we're gonna see how all of my hair looks down. I don't know, this feels weird because I haven't had all of my hair out at one time in so long that I feel like I have to keep it sectioned, but I don't have to keep it sectioned because my hair is flat ironed. Now I'll pin it up, but I need to kind of get that bend out of there. There we go. I am going to put a little bit of Oil Sheen on this just so it can kind of not be staticky, like not just stay out there. But this is my hair. Let's look at the back. I need to get my mirror. I got this big old mirror, but I want to look at the back of it. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, you see this gap right here? There's a gap right there. Like, I don't care how many times I brush it, it's gonna be there. Let me brush it so you can see. Like, that gap is right there. You see it? Yeah, it's right there because, let me make sure you can see it. There you go. You can see it. Yep, it's a little hole right there. Yeesh. That don't look good. It's exaggerated on camera. Wow. But anyway, that gap is right there because I think I showed y'all that I have just a little bit of a thin spot there where my hair is hopefully gonna grow back or growing back. So since there's no hair at the scalp, there's not gonna be hair in that spot on my head. And that's right in the middle. I think I achieved the silky flowy press. It's just that, okay, I'm gonna spray some Oil Sheen on my hair. What y'all think? I need to spray some Oil Sheen because this is getting staticky. So I'm gonna take this Cantu Oil Sheen spray and just do lightly, what's that light? Lightly spray that so my hair can kind of tame. There we go. That's taming it just a little bit. And I'm gonna spray a little bit on this brush and brush it in. But yes, so I am going to trim my hair just a taste. I tried to wear a white shirt, but this shirt got a little something on it, but you can still see it. So I'm just going to trim it just a little bit. mean, just a little bit, like, can you see that? That much. This right here needs to be trimmed. Always a little bit tricky. Just gonna trim it. Just a little bit. Cause my ends are not bad at all. Cause I keep up with my hair. And when it's not trimmed, it's in a protective style. Just do a little bit of. Not a lot, but that, look at that. That looks good. See it? That looks good. All right. So I think it looks good. Did they make it look heavy? Is it still flowy? Okay, why I can't get my hair to lay down though? I don't think it's an oil thing. I think it's a, I don't know. Do I have to put, I kind of don't want to curl it. If I want it bumped, I'm going to put rollers in it. Okay, I got to curl it some. Let's see. I'm not very good at curling my hair with a flat iron. I'm just going to let you know that right now. But I am just going to curl it a little bit more. But honestly, for my actual birthday, which is in 2 days, I think I'm just gonna put flexi rods in it, like 4 flexi rods, and then let that be the curls. Because I don't know if these are gonna hold. We're gonna just stop it right here. I'm gonna stop trying to curl it right here. But I think I achieved that silk press look for the birthday girl. But this is the final result of my silk press. And I think it turned out super cute. My hair feels great, lightweight, clean, just healthy. It feels good. I'm very, very happy with how it feels. It feels strong. It feels really good. And yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. How I'm gonna preserve this is I'm gonna do 4 flexi rods, 1, 2, 3, 4, to preserve this so I don't sweat it out, so that on my actual birthday my hair still looks nice and healthy, which is in 2 days. It looks nice and fresh. So yeah, so I really like the way it looked. I love straight hair on me. Like, this is 33. Like, I love straight hair on me. I love it. So thank you so much for watching me do this video, flat ironing my hair. I just love my hair. I love this little swoop-de-doo. I'm going for a middle part, I think. I'm gonna keep the middle part. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Shoot me a comment down below. Say what's up. Tell me you like my hair. Tell me you don't like my hair. I don't know. Just say something to me. Thank y'all again for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. God bless.